Hi friend, today I'll show you dishwashing machine. This is a dishwashing machine. So I'll show you how will setting. Here put the plate and big spoon, everything. So downside you will put the big plate, step by step. Then close. So this is the you will buy the tablet for the dishwashing machine. You put here tablet, then close. Okay, don't put the liquid. If you put the liquid, bubble too much, that time noisy coming. Okay, and I'll show you the how it is setting for the dishwashing machine. This is the one switch on and off. Here have setting for the hot water and normal water. Okay, I'll show you. Now I'm switch on. See, here is green signal light coming. So this is normal. This is 40 degree, 50 and 70. So if you need good wash, you will setting 50. Okay. So next I'll show you tablet. Whose tablet you will use? Don't put liquid. If you put liquid, it's a problem for the inside the have sensor. Bubble is too much. That time noisy coming machine. I'll show you liquid and I put something inside. Okay.